Hey everyone, this is Adarsh and today's topic is history of mathematics. And to explain this topic, I have some names of some most known scientists. And I have the name of Euclid. We know him very well that he was a Greek mathematician and he has a great contribution in the field of geometry. Our geometry leads to a very progressive way and it is going to be very progression, and the foundation of geometry and not the foundation of geometry, he had contributed a great things in the field of geometry, like he gave a lot of postulates, a lot of theorems in his books, which is Elements, which are 13 books in it. And the next I will discuss about a famous Indian mathematician who is Aryabhat. Aryabhat has a great contribution in the field of astronomy, mathematics and geometry also. Aryabhat has his own books and he wrote his book named as Surya Siddhanta, in which he used the script, which is Sanskrit, and he explained all the terms and all the theorems in the form of written words. And the archaeologists find very difficult to understand the theorems, and he had a great contribution in each and every field of mathematics, and we know that he had a great contribution in discovering the decimal system that we use nowadays, and he had a credit of discovering the zero, which is a very complicated number. You know that zero is a very complicated number that if we can divide any number, like you can take one with zero, the answer will be undefined, which is undefined. And this thing was explained by a famous mathematician. Was explained by a famous Indian mathematician. Now I am talking about him, who is Srinivasa Iyengar Ramanujan. He was a great mathematician ever known in the history of mathematics. He had a great contribution in the formation of mock theta functions and differential equations, and he said that if any number, like here is 3, it is divided by 3, it will give 1. And if 0 is divided by any number, let's say 3, it will give 0. But when 0 is divided by 0 itself, then the result is what? Undefined. Ramanujan also have a great contribution in the taxicab numbers, the numbers which can be written as the sum of 2 or more, the numbers which when we cube 2 or more numbers, that number can be written as the sum of 2 or more numbers whose cubes. Like when we cube 1 plus when we cube 12, the sum would be 179. And when we cube the 9 plus when we cube 10, the sum will also 179. And this magical number, what we call Hardy-Ramanujan number. In this series, we have a name of another great mathematician of the Indian history, who is Brahma. He had a great contribution in geometry and also in areas and volumes of various things, and also he had a great contribution in trigonometry also. He gave the great formula for finding the area of the cyclic quadrilateral. We know that cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral whose 4 vertices touch the circle, and he gave the formula, which is area of cyclic quadrilateral is equal to under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, and s minus d, where s is the semi-perimeter. He his book, which is we called as Brahmasputa Siddhanta. And in his book, he used the Sanskrit text to represent his all proofs and theorems, and he was a great Indian mathematician. And that's all for now. Thank you so much.